Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet this beautiful V-shaped border lace. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then come right here, pull through, pull through again. Then I'm going to chain 4, 2, 3 and 4 to yarn over, and here in this space here I'm going to pull through one time, as you can see that, yarn over again, pull through again, second time, third time, like so, fifth time, and sixth time. So this is going to make our base. Like that. Then to make a slip knot, then chain 1 and pull through, and chain 4 again, the center here, so third time, fourth, the sixth, seven, and 8, like that. Then going to come here in the middle, so as you can see, slip knot that way, chain 1 like this, then pull through, then chain 4 again in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, that way. Then yarn over, go through in the center this way, make a slip knot, so chain 1 that way and just pull it. So I'm going to repeat the same process. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then I'm going to come right here in the center, pull our yarn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Pull through, make a slip knot like so, chain 1 and pull through, chain 4 again, come right here in the center, pull through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and pull through that, slip knot that way, chain 1 directly, and pull through, chain 4 again, going right here in the center, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Pull through that way, slip knot, chain 1 and pull through, chain 4 again, then again to the center like this, in the same center here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Pull through, center over here, then make slip knot, chain 1 and pull through. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Going to come right again here to pull through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That way, pull through, and we'll make one more. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Like this. You can see this is how it's going to look like. Then at the end over here, you're going to come right here, sorry, slip knot in the center, slip knot, then right on top here into slip knot. Okay, then we'll come right here inside here in this chain, back side, then on top of this chain, slip knot, then again here in the back side, then on top of this chain, slip knot. You can see the way how it's going to look like. Then come right here, the back side, pull through, slip knot, that on top of this chain, slip knot, to come right here, back side, slip knot, on top of this chain, slip knot, then going to go right back there, slip knot, then on top of this chain here, slip knot right behind there, slip knot, then again I'm going to come on top of this chain here, slip knot, then to come right here, so slip knot, this chain here, slip knot, way, to slip knot in our base right there, pull through, slip knot, then you can see here as so. So as you can see, this is how it's supposed to look like. So this is the smaller one I've made for you, and this is the bigger one. So I hope you like this video. You can make as bigger as you want for your projects. It can be even a border for a pillow or blankets or any fashion you want to make for your garments. So see you next time in my video in another one. So please like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.